Radhakrishna Damani is an Indian billionaire businessman and investor. He is the founder and chairman of retail chain DMart. Damani is referred to as the retail king of India. His estimated net worth is 15.5 billion as of December 2024, according to Forbes. Early life and career. Radhakrishna Dabani was raised in a Marwari Hindu family in a single-room apartment in Mumbai. He started commerce at the University of Mumbai but dropped out after 1 year. After the death of his father, who worked on Dalal Street, Damani left his ball-bearing business and became a stock market broker and investor. In the early 1990s, he made big profit by short-selling a stock that had been artificially inflated by Harshad Mehta. Damani was reportedly the largest individual shareholder of HDFC Bank after it went public in 1995. In 1999, he operated a franchise of Apna Bazaar, a cooperative department store in Nerul, but was uncoincident by its business model. He quit a stock market in 2000 to start his own hypermarket chain, DMart, setting up the first restaurant in Powai in 2002. The chain had 25 stores in 2010, after which the company grew rapidly and went public in 2017. In 2020, he became the fourth richest Indian with a net worth of 16.5 billion. He was ranked 117 on the global list of billionaires. He went ranked 87 on the global list Forbes of Billionaires 2022 with a net worth of 18.9 billion. In October 2024, Damani and his family were ranked 6th on the Forbes list of India 100 richest tycoon with a net worth 31.5 billion. Investment. Damani also holds a stake in multiple companies including VST Industries and India Cement. Damani publicly holds a stake in 14 companies. The value of his shareholder was about 2,40,049 crore 25 billion in June 2024. In 2020, Damani picked up a 1% stake in Andhra Paper. Damani also picked up 15% stake in India Cement in May 2020, taking his shareholding in India Cement to 19.89% in 2023. Damani bought 28 housing units in the luxury apartment 360 West for 1,238 crore 150 million. Personal life. He is married to Shikanta Devi and they have 3 daughters. Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe my YouTube channel.